Alpha Beta Day 10, yeah. So I still haven't done anything at all to record. It's just, yeah. I've spent all day listening to Pandora, Dirk Bentley Station, and doing math homework. And went to Applebee's for lunch. So, yeah. Hopefully I'll get back into recording things for you guys. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. But I'm going to Tampa this weekend and I'll definitely film stuff there to put up here. So, yeah. Catch you on the flip flop.